Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going over my step-by-step daily skincare routine, and I'll give you guys the full breakdown from start to finish. So stick around and I will show you guys how I get that done. So of course I have makeup on here, as you can see, so I'm just going to go ahead and start with my lashes, gently peel those off, and then I'm going to go in with this cleansing balm. It is from FARMACY. Got it in a BoxyCharm box, and I really like this thing. I probably used a little bit too much here, but it's definitely very effective in breaking down any makeup and even eyeshadow. It just works so easily for. And I'm gonna go in with my makeup eraser. Someone actually gifted this to me, and oh, it is so good, you guys. You can use this with product or just with water, but it is absolutely a game changer. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf on. I don't have a lot of hair, but so what? Okay, so my cleanser that I'm using is from the DMK line. Got this from my esthetician. I'm using a dime size amount, and I am just massaging that into the skin. Make sure when you cleanse, guys, you're doing it for at least 60 seconds to really get a good lather and a good clean in there. And then I like to go in a second time. Specifically, I do this whenever I am taking makeup off, because I really like my skin to be very clean for when I go in with my treatment products, so they can really absorb into the skin. All right, and skin is cleaned up, ready to go. And next, this steamer. Oh, I just started steaming my face and got this off of Amazon. It is absolutely amazing. I'll leave the link below for you guys. And as you can see, it is adjustable, and I just let that steam blow on my face for about 10 to 15 minutes, about twice a week. And man, I love this thing. Okay, so my toner that I'm using is also from the DMK line, and it is a tonic for oily skin. And as you can see, I'm just putting some of that on my cotton round. And then I like to go in with a little hand fan to let that dry onto the skin. Okay, game changer here, you guys. This is a retinol. Just started using it as I am over 30. And man, this stuff is so good for skin texture, helping with breakouts, collagen production. Absolutely love it. And my moisturizer that I use is also from the DMK line. It is specifically for oily skin. The consistency of this I absolutely love. It's thick, it's creamy, but it doesn't leave my skin feeling oily and globby. And I just started implementing this eye cream. I'll check back in with you guys, let you know how I like it. It is from ACU-MIST. And of course, you gotta have some chapstick. And we are all done. I thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think, and take care. Bye-bye.